First, we will start from the inner door handle side, and using a trim remover tool, we will take out that plastic cover right there. Behind the plastic cover, there is one screw that we will take out using a Phillips screwdriver. That screw is out. Now using the same trim remover tool, we will take out that switch panel right there. We'll punch in the tool on the edge and try to take out the complete switch panel. Once the switch panel is pulled out, there are two plugs behind the switch panel, and we will take out the black color plug first. Press and hold the tab of the plug and then pull the plug outwards. First plug is out. Similar way, we will take out the white color plug. Press and hold the tab in the middle and then pull the plug outwards. Once both the plugs are out, this separates the switch panel from the door itself. Behind the switch panel, there is one screw that also needs to be taken out using a Phillips screwdriver. Notice this is one of the longer screws right there. Using the same tool, we will also take out the armrest cover. Notice once both sides are pulled, the armrest is still stuck from the middle. It's actually holding on to that right there. Just slide in the armrest a little inside and you would notice that tab is pulled out. Just like that. And that is how we take out the armrest cover. Behind the armrest cover, there is one more screw that also needs to be taken out. This will be the final screw to take out the door panel. There's that screw taken out. Now from the bottom right side corner, there is actually a little space there and we can punch in our fingers. We'll grab that spot and then pull the door panel outwards. There you notice the door panel pulling out. Similar needs to be done on the bottom left side. We will pull the door panel outwards. Also pull out the door panel all the way till the very top. Now we'll grab the door panel and then slightly pull it downwards just like that. Notice behind the door panel, we will need to take out the inner door handle. We will just grab the cover of the inner door handle and slightly pull it outwards until it's completely taken out. And there you would notice the inner door handle is taken apart. With that, we are done taking out the door panel completely. Once the door panel is taken out, this is how the door looks like behind the door panel, and right there is the big white plastic cover that we need to take out. It has a bunch of clips surrounding to it and we need to turn those clips counterclockwise one by one. Then I am using a clip remover tool here to pull out all the clips. There's one clip at the very bottom also needs to be pulled out. Once all the clips are out, there you notice the plastic cover is pulled out. We don't need to take out the plastic cover completely, just take it out to the point until you have an access inside that plastic cover right there. Notice inside there is that big white color bracket right there. We need to press the tabs of the bracket from top and the bottom and then pull that bracket outwards. Just like that, the bracket is pulled out. Now we will come to the edge of the door and notice there is that plastic cover right there that we will be pulling out using a trim remover tool like that. Once the circled plastic cover is out, we will use a Torx 30 bit along with a small ratchet and small extension. We'll be punching in the tool inside to lose the screw that is inside the door. Notice this is one of the screws that does not come out completely. You just have to unscrew it all the way till the very end. Once we notice the tool is not coming out anymore, that itself is a proof that the screw is opened all the way till the very end. We will leave it to that and we'll go at the front of the door, grab the handle and then slightly pull it outwards. And there you notice the door handle is taken out. In case if you want to put back the door handle, just reverse the steps of takeout and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.